Well, hello guys, here we are with the Agribot, and today we're going to show you about the materials we need and how to build a frame. First, you can get all the materials at Home Depot. Wood frame, we need one board that is 1 inch thick or two boards that are half an inch thick. The dimensions of the boards need to be 24 by 18. A drill screw that has an M6 size for metal, 2 drill screws for wood, one half an inch and the other 1 inch, 6 bolts that are M6 size as well and that are 15 millimeters. And we need the same M6 bolts but 16 millimeters, and 2 different kinds of washers, a M12 washer and about 6 of these M6 washers. So that's the materials we need. Then we're going to move on to building the frame. Okay, so now we're going to drill the holes. For this, you're gonna need a drill and a drill screw that it's an M6 size. So what you're gonna do is that once you have the brushed motors, you're gonna measure the distance between the holes and map it onto the board. And now we're gonna drill the holes. So there you go. There's 6 holes, and you're gonna do the same on the other side, and that's it. Okay, so now that we have the 6 holes, we also need to make an extra hole for the clutch of the motors. That is done with the wood screws that we talked about in the materials video. Once we have the 6 holes and also the other hole for the clutch, we need to remove the brakes at the front end of the motors, and you can watch some YouTube videos to learn how to do that. Now, to connect the motor to the frame is a very simple process. You just make sure that the board is aligned to the motor, and you put the bolts and you screw them in with the washer. For this 3 bolts here, you need the M6 size bolt that is 15 millimeters long. And for the 3 bolts in this outside part, you need the M6 also, but 16 millimeters. Now we do another hole on the end of the frame, and that hole is done with a half-inch wood screw. So once you have the hole, you just connect the one single wheel on the bottom and put a couple washers to make sure that the frame is leveled. Now to finish with the holes, we want to put 2 holes in the middle over here so that we can make this cables for the motor come out and through the frame, so that they can have very easy connectivity with the ESC devices. So once we make those holes, we can put the cable through and start connecting our devices together.